Hello, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thank you for taking your time out of your day to take a look. We are getting close. Knight Capital Management, our main website, is actually coming August 25th, 2009. If you watch this video a little bit later, obviously this website has already been launched. So if it's before August 25th, this is what you're seeing, 8 a.m. This is going to be the main page. With maybe a couple of exceptions here and moving things around. But I want to give you a little tour about what the site is and let you take a look at this. We got a free 10-day trial and ebook, and actually if you click the tiger or the start here or basically anywhere inside here, it's going to lead to a little sign up box here to get you so that you can get access to the Tiger trading room, and it'll actually connect up to another sales page. Go ahead and subscribe. You're going to get 10 days free access. That's not business days, 10 days through PayPal. And then after that, it'll be $97 a month. So I wanted to make sure to give you as best amount of time available, even as it includes weekends. That's why I decided to go ahead and move along and use the 10 days instead of 7 days. Now we're looking here, and we got some neat things that are coming in the future here. This method right here, called the sword method, kind of a samurai sensu method, this will be coming out in September of 2009. I'm working on completing this one first, and October is I'm hoping for the power profits method here to be released. It might be November, it might stretch into the last quarter, that is coming into it. But this product here, my very first product, should be out sometime in September. I'm hoping with my developer and so forth to be able to get that out probably mid-month towards the end of September right now. If we go back up here, I also want to point this out too. If you scroll to the bottom, once this website page is active and you can see it, this is all the way that you can get I guess all the social networking sites that I belong to, plus Skype. You can download it here and get your own Skype. I would highly recommend that, especially if you're international. Let's talk. If you want to talk to me, let's go Skype to Skype, and let's make that a free call for the two of us. This is all about cutting cost and starting on a shoestring. So it's been quite fun to do this and calling in all my favors and so forth. But let's take a look. This is a pull down. This is actually a lead to our products at one time. Free trading tips. This is actually leads over. Let me go ahead and click that. You've seen this before when it loads. Sometime today, there it is. You've seen this before right here. This is my blog. We're going to talk about some trades here in just a few minutes. Talk about a crude oil trade. We're going to talk about our EES trade that we took on Wednesday. So don't go away. We're going to take a little bit more detail here and look over at the website. Now we got a featured book site right here, and I pretty much put my top 10 list. And these are the top 10 books that I think that I've learned something and got something out of along the way. So take a look at it at your own convenience. We got a testimonial page. Yeah, there are some people that actually think that I'm okay. I get a kick out of that. I just went with a few testimonials to start with, and I'll add to this page as time goes on. We're launching, so it was kind of cool that the gentleman who gave me a testimonial decided to go ahead and do that. So some credibility to what I do. Contact us. Here I am sitting in front of my trade station with a suit on, nonetheless. You don't see that very often with me, at least. Yes, I do have plenty of suits. I came from the big mutual fund industry. I was a trader for a big mutual fund industry, so I certainly have the attire if I had to dress up. But I prefer to be in shorts and a t-shirt and a baseball hat and trade. It's a lot more fun that way. Working right out of my house, lock my door, and keep my kids out of the room. That's me. You know, here's my home office number right here, and when this site launches, you'll be able to, and that'll be Tuesday. On Tuesday, you'll be able to sign up. If you saw the link up above, obviously you can take a look at that ahead of time. So I look forward to seeing you soon inside the Tiger Trading Room. So let's get back to our blog here, and we had a couple really nice trades on Wednesday. Let's talk about the EES trade first, because this was the one that happened prior to the crude oil trade. Let's blow it up a little bit. And this was a spike reversal bar, first bar spike. We got in a couple ticks higher than the bar itself. We held in, and we exited half of the positions here at 986 and a quarter. Some astute traders were able to get the 988 and a quarter off, and some got off at 987 and a quarter for our morning trade. And I know of one trader that actually carried forward and ran it all the way up here to the 200-day moving average. And depending upon the time that you have available, this particular trade, instead of like 400, that'd have been a $600 move with another $200 move. That could have been a possible around $800 here in the ES. You look at the volume here. Look at this beautiful uptrend line that we had right here. Just a nice supporting volume, just shooting back up there. And if you look at Friday, obviously, you know, we're well above the 1,000 mark now. And this was the start of the uptrend here on Wednesday. Okay, the last trade I want to talk about today is a crude oil inventory trade. And I put the crude oil inventory report release. This trade came before the 10:30 report. And after 10:30, it really didn't give us a signal. It already had reached up to the upper average daily range. But prior to the report release, if you look down here at our volume, we had a nice little uptrending volume here. You can see the momentum carrying the trade, and obviously we had some traders that was able to capture this movement here, coming in at 71.03, exiting at 71.43. The high of this bar, by the way, was 2 ticks higher than that at 71.45. So enough room to reach for $400 a contract, or for every two, $800 here in crude oil. So this was a nice little crude oil trade that a room was able to capture as well. So there was some nice bond. There was a nice bond trade that some people got involved in, and also was a nice euro trade all on Wednesday. We had this week. The room itself. We traded 3 days last week: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we incurred no losses on the week. So that usually doesn't happen. We usually have positive results. Don't get me wrong. We normally, very seldomly do we take a losing week. We might have a losing trading day, but a losing week, yeah, I mean, it's all hypothetical in that sense. I mean, I have to cover, my butt here. But let's talk about that. Let me throw that up there at the end, put that disclaimer up again. Anyway, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Here's a required disclaimer that I want to put up here, and try to remember to do this every video. Although I do trade a real-time market trade, I will trade simulated trades at times. So I want to make sure that I, cover my ASS here, CFTC Rule 4.41 and so forth. So take a time, look this over. I'm sure that if you're a trader, you understand. I am a futures trader. I'm not a forex trader. I'm not a stock trader. Look forward to answering any questions. I am of the old line. 25 years been trading here, and I look forward to helping you as well. Once again, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I am very excited to finally get this project from the drawing board into reality coming into Tuesday. We do have open seating coming up to Omnovia. You'll be able to actually access this on Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. to be able to access the room itself. So take advantage of your 10-day free trial. Look forward to seeing you soon. If there's anything I can do to help you, just let me know. This is Dave Knight, Knight Capital Management. Take care. Good trades, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.